So good morning students. Again we are going to solve a question, and this is question number 4 from NCERT book, and this is based on circles, two concentric circles, a chord, and this is the one outer circle with center O. This is the outer circle with center O, and there are two concentric circles. So this is the outer circle and this is the inner circle. Concentric circles means two circles having common center. So these are the two concentric circles with center O, and there is a chord lining two points on the circumference of circle, not passing through center. So these two circles is having a chord, which the chords is having point A, B, C and D. Outer circle intersecting the chord at point A and D, and inner circle intersecting the chord at B and C. Points B and C, and a line perpendicular to chord from center is OM. OM is a line from center perpendicular to the chord. So this much and line from center perpendicular to chord bisect the chord. Line from center perpendicular to chord bisect the chord. This is the theorem we have. Line from so OM is perpendicular to AD as well as OM is perpendicular to BC. As outer circle cuts the chord at point A and D, and inner circle at point B and C. So OM perpendicular to chord AD and OM is perpendicular to chord BC. So AM is equal to DM. AM is equal to DM, and here it is BM is equal to CM. BM is equal to CM. And as we know, as by theorem, this is by theorem, the line from center perpendicular to chord bisect the chord. This is by on this theorem, this AM is equal to DM, and BM is equal to CM. AM is equal to AB plus BM. AM is equal to AB plus BM, and I wrote wrongly. It should be DM. And DM is equal to CM plus CD. So this is, and as we know BM is equal to CM, so BM is equal to CM, so BM cancelled off, cancelled, so AB is equal to CD. So AB is equal to CD. So hence hence proved, hence proved, hence proved. So thank you.